Hello guys, this is DB Paranormal here with a review video for you of the SBox, Spirit Box or Ghost Box, whichever you prefer. So this is going to be an unboxing and a review. I have already unboxed it just to make sure it works and stuff before I started filming and fully charged it so that we have enough battery to get going. So when it arrives, hopefully yours won't have this sticker on that mine has got, but this is what the box will look like. If you want to have a little read there, feel free to pause. And yeah, SBox 2 Ghost Scanner. It is pretty much the same thing as the PSB7, if you've ever used that, or the PSB11, whichever you've used before, which you've seen probably on many different programs on TV, like Ghost Adventures and those sorts of guys. And this is what it looks like. It comes in this little white box, as you saw, and it literally just looks like this little black and red radio, which actually is quite nice. So first of all, the quality feels really good. Like, you could bang that and you could drop that from some height and it's not going to break. It's very sturdy plastic. Then you've got the antenna. A lot of people take them out. I suggest that you don't personally. Just my preference is keep it in, because that's how it's designed. So that's how it's meant to work. That's what it's meant to do. So if you take it out, you're probably not going to get the best results that you perhaps would have got. It also comes with this strap. Pretty good for keeping around your wrist when you're on an investigation. As you know, there's lots of hazards in lots of places we investigate, trip hazards and stuff, and the last thing you want is for this to be launched across the room and broken in somewhat. And I think my cat is about to enter. Okay, can I do my video now? You like the shadows, don't you? I'm just gonna crack on and hopefully you'll enjoy. oh, okay, shit. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention, clearly, it comes with a free cat toy that's attached as a strap, apparently. I'm currently filming this at like 1 AM, and as anyone that has a cat would probably know, cats love playing in the middle of the night. Anyway, so the buttons on this device, I have to remind myself, I'm pretty sure, yep, that's the flashlight. So when you hold that button, you get a pretty strong light there. And then obviously on the top here, you've got your on and off switch.
SBox.
And right next to that, if you look there, you've got your volume dial. It's very late at night, so I'm gonna have it on like 8. You should be able to hear it just fine. Oh God, she's really going for this now. It tells you your battery on the screen there too, which is lovely. And yeah, I mean, there's a button here to, if you put an SD card in, you can actually save the sessions onto that. And pretty much the only other buttons you need to know is that this button here in the middle is to start scanning and to stop. This is to speed up, this is to reverse, and that is pretty much it. So, you can press it just to scan through in a way which will just give you radio stations, or if you hold it, then it scans properly. You press this button here, the menu button, and that will go from FM to AM. And this is the scanning now. And the menu button, yeah, just what I need. My little assistant. If you hold the menu button, it will pair Bluetooth, like so.
Bluetooth pairing.
I'm not actually trying to pair it to anything, but if you wanted to, you could. Obviously like a speaker. Oh God, she's loving this. So yeah guys, this is basically a £100 cat toy I think we'll skip the chewing it if that's okay, Lily. Okay, so you hold this to scan forward, and if you press it, so that's the speed, you see, so it says number 4. So if I press back, that's 3, 2, 1. That's the speed at which, you know, the rate of speed it's going to scan through. I think 3 is probably, she's attacking this, is probably the best. Although it has gone quiet because I have apparently paired it to something Bluetooth. There we go. Okay, so if you press the menu button quickly, it will turn to aux, so you can plug in your speaker or whatever you want to do. Press it again, FM, press it again, AM, press it again, aux, and so on. I prefer FM, and I prefer to sleep forward. Are there any spirits here with us right now? Anybody wants to come forward and say hello? Put it on number 4. Is there anybody here with us right now? Can you see the cats? Do you like cats? Okay, let's try and go backwards. My name's Jack. Can you tell me your name? I heard something, but I didn't quite catch that. I'm sure when I listen back, I will hear that. But can you repeat it for me? I heard you say the word ghost. Can you say my name? Can you tell me your name? How many of you are there here right now? Andrew, are you here? I'm pretty sure I just heard my name. When I listen back, I'll be able to hear it. As I'm doing this, guys, my cats are freaking out. So I heard a bang in my hallway, and both my cats started staring at the doorway, and they are now investigating what is out there. So I am going to end this here. I'm going to close the session. My next video I might show you my kit, just my sort of a carry kit that I would take very nice and conveniently to anywhere I want to go and investigate. Just the basics, but the stuff that is absolutely essential, and we'll go through that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the SBox. I highly recommend it. It is very good quality. It's rechargeable as well, which is great. Like I said, it has the light, it has an aux cord, has a USB slot. And yeah, like I say, it's a good bit of kit. PSP 7s cost more than this now. And this feels way better. I mean, I've had about 4 PSP 7s in my time. And they have always broken on me pretty quickly within the space of like a year. I've been doing this over 16 years now. I'm about to publish my first book. I have a lot of experience. I have worked real cases with a foundation that was set up by Lorraine Warren herself. I've travelled the UK and investigated some of the most haunted places. And yeah, I am hoping to bring you on the journey with me, and let's build something together, and hope you enjoy it, and hope you stick around to see what's next, and let me know if there's anything in particular you would like me to cover, or any kind of equipment you'd like me to show. More than happy to go ahead and do that. And yeah, if you are looking for a spirit box or ghost box, I highly recommend this, guys. This was like 90 something pounds on Amazon. I will link it below for you, and show you a screenshot as well. Yes, really good bit of kit. It's really nice. It feels so good, so like sturdy, I think, is and reliable, which reliable is such a massive one. Plus, how many times have you been on an investigation and you bring all of your equipment that you want, all the equipment you have, you know, you plan it, and the one thing you forget is your torch? So it's actually really good to have this built in. My cat is trying to knock the camera over. I think she's telling me that's the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend this. Feel free to go and check it out yourself. I am not affiliated with this company at all, by the way. This isn't sponsored or anything like that. This is just a genuine review from 16 plus years of experience in paranormal investigator, based in the UK. And I am sorry, my cat just won't move. She won't let me end the video, but I'm going to have to close this session down, because I don't like what happened a moment ago when there was a noise in the hallway. I'll listen back to the video, see if you heard that or not. I don't know if you did, because obviously the spirit box was playing. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.